Good morning, guys, or good afternoon, wherever you are. I hope you are well. Another weekend without riding. What a freaking weather this is. But never mind. I'll get down with stuff. Like I'm charging the battery with my new charger, which is doing alright. This is getting very, very close to the end because after many hours of sanding, unfill a primer, unsanding, unfill a primer, and then more sanding and more fill a primer. I believe I got it to the point where I'm not going to touch anything else. I'm just going to leave it as it is. It looks fine. There's no real imperfections in this area where the imperfections were, and now I'm just gonna let it cure because I'm not gonna touch this rubbish until it's completely dry, and then I can start the assembly again. It's been many hours with that bloody thing, but it's coming close to the end now, so soon, maybe another week, because one needs to work to pay the bills, but maybe another week, and by the next weekend I might be able to take it for a spin around the block just to see what comes off of it, what falls off. Now hopefully nothing, but I'm just saying, yeah, to see what's going on, if I need to do any little adjustments, and in principle it should be okay. Yeah, the mirrors are still insulated because I don't know, anything and everything could have gone wrong, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. This battery was so low that I couldn't even do the indicators, so now I'm going to just charge it for a little while more, and then look at this seat. After I put this cover, it looks much better. Yeah, it could be much better, but I ain't got the time, guys. I ain't got the time to make it perfect, and perfect is a bit of a far-fetched thing to do. Yeah, so it's all good. I've been here since 9:30. It's now 12:30. I've done everything else I wanted. The car is nice, clean inside and out. So tomorrow is another day, and yeah, I'm very chuffed with everything I'm doing. The only thing about this charger is that it came to a cord that was like barely a foot, so I had to extend it because I couldn't get it anywhere. So yeah, so now it's okay. I'm happy with what's going on. I still need to do a little touch up with lacquer on this front headlight mask. And you guys think, okay, why didn't you keep it original? Yeah, keeping it original is a very far-fetched thing because it was so broken. He had bits completely missing, and they cost second-hand 150 quid, and then you still need to spray them and all that. So that's why I decided to cut it off and make it my own way. I'm chuffed with the indicators being in there. So yeah, like I'm saying, another week and I'll be able to take it for a spin and see what else I need to do to it. And if everything is okay, then I go and book an MOT, and see what the guy says on the MOT, because in principle shouldn't be anything wrong with it. The brakes should be working fine. The rear brake was completely refurbished with a new piston and seals and everything. The front brakes were just cleaned up, and there was nothing wrong with them, just needed to be cleaned. So The hoses are still the old ones, but all the fluid inside those hoses is brand new. All the fuel pipes, all the fuel hoses have been upgraded to heat turn compatible. Let's just hope that it doesn't happen to this one what happened to mine with the fuel tap, in which the rubber inside completely melted. I hope it doesn't happen to this one. That's why I need to run it for a while. But so far she run already and nothing happened to it. So let's see what's in store for the next weekend. I'm absolutely tired of this bike. It took much longer than what I expected, but it's not a big problem because I didn't want to put it for sale until the spring. Spring is coming and is ready, so it should be all right. Yeah, so that's me done for today. I hope you guys are well. Yeah, we'll look around with what's going on in here. It's been a long way to get to where I am now. Anyhow, you guys keep well, and all the best. So remember, sitting on your bum won't get your project done. Okay, so if you got a project going on, get on with it, man. Nobody's gonna do it for you. All right, see you soon. Bye bye for now.